What's up, YouTube? We're back at it again with another video. So we are we're 14, 15 days, what is today, 10th, 11th, I don't know. We're 2 weeks. We're 2 weeks from Christmas. Feeling the Christmas spirit. So today, we are going to be taking this, putting it there. Going to be Christmas wrapping the truck. Now, it is cold today. It's like in the 20s. And my truck is really dirty from the salt, and you know, it's been snowing here and raining, and so I have absolutely no idea if this is going to work, if the tape is even going to stick or what. I've never done this, but we are going to give it a go. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's have some fun.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I think what's possibly better than wrapping this entire truck is the looks I'm getting as people drive by. I live on a pretty quiet street. There's actually more traffic than normal, and breaking necks out here. It is hilarious. Their head just snap over and I just catch them staring the whole time.
Goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright guys, there she is. You know, safety, headlights cut out. Gotta let them know what you got. Got the Ram logo out. Didn't do the mirrors or the roof, you know. When people get their vehicles wrapped, you know, they like to do like black mirrors. gloss black roof. Well, we're gonna keep the white roof and the white mirrors, you know, really contrast the white stripes in it nicely. Door handles cut out, of course, you know. Ignore that, these are totally functional. And that, oops. This was super fun. I wish it was a little warmer out and my truck was a little cleaner and the tape would have stuck a little bit better. But this was a lot of fun. So if you guys enjoyed watching me Christmas festival up the truck, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what else you would like to see done for the truck. Anything fun, any mods, anything like that. Subscribe for more fun videos, DIY videos to come. If you would like to see actually more pictures of the truck, because I'm going to take some pictures with it, check out my Instagram. It's at Clarky_Ram 5.7. So you'll see things, you'll see stories. This was actually voted on my story on my Instagram if I should wrap the truck or not, and people wanted to see it. So here it is. If you want to see things before they happen on YouTube, check out my Instagram. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, peace.